How to use Zelle with Huntington Bank. I'm going to show you how you can easily use Zelle with Huntington Bank. You can send money directly from your Huntington account to friends and family who have a bank account in the US. Just open the Huntington mobile app and select the Payments tab to get started. You can send money fast, typically within minutes, directly from one bank account to another with Zelle. With just a few taps, send and receive money from people you trust from almost anywhere. From the Huntington mobile app, tap on Payments and then click Enroll. Next, pick the contact method you will use with Zelle, either an email address or a US-based mobile phone number. Once enrollment is complete, you can start using Zelle. Then enter the email address or US mobile phone number of the recipient. You can send money to almost anyone you know and trust with a bank account in the US. After that, enter the amount to send, review, and then hit Send. In most cases, the money is available in minutes. Your account information is private. You won't see the other person's account info and they won't see yours. To use the app, open the Huntington mobile app. Next, go to the Pay and Transfer tab. Follow a few simple steps to enroll with Zelle today.